Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be turning my black hair red using my Gemini Naturals Vegan Temporary Color Gel in the color Cranberry and Pinkberry. Now, although these colors look very similar, the Cranberry has a brighter red color and the Pinkberry color has a more deeper maroonish like color, but they blend very well together. Not going to do a lot of talking in this video. I just want you to watch and enjoy. So I decided to go layer by layer with the colors. So the first layer of my hair, I'm using Cranberry, then I'll use Pinkberry, and then I'll just keep alternating between the two colors. Have you tried any of the Gemini Naturals temporary colors yet? If so, what colors have you tried? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the comments below which color and styles you want to see me do next with these temporary colors. While you're enjoying this video, let me know in the comments, are you team twist out or team braid out? I tend to lean towards more of the twist out because it's a quicker style for me, but I am working on my braid out skills. So I know there's somebody out there that wants to know, do these temporary colors go over the grays? And I am going to show you or give you the answer right now. As you can see, this temporary color gel went right over my gray hair, and as we know, those grays can be stubborn, but it did the trick. So now that my hair is all twisted up, I'm just going to let it air dry overnight. I'm not sure if you can see the vague difference between the two colors. One is a little bit deeper than the other, but they blend and mesh so well together. So here we are the next day with the takedown, and as you know, Gemini Naturals products always gives me bomb definition. So I'm just going to separate and then do just a little light fluffing this time. And again, I'm going to show you the minimum transfer that I received from fluffing and separating my hair. Make sure that you check the description box because I am going to leave the link to where you can purchase these products, as well as my discount code where you can save some coins on your Gemini Naturals purchase. So here are my final results. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.